So here's a review of what we've learned in class regarding Faraday. So if you go to Robotics in Science, and by now everyone should be on the Faraday golfing machine blog post. So if you're working on that and you're trying to remember, oh my gosh, what did we learn in class? Go back to Faraday golfing machine and you want to relaunch Faraday's law simulation. So when you launch it, it'll come back here where you've got the magnet, the copper coil, and the light bulb with a voltage meter to let you know what's going on. I also like to bring up the field line so you can see how wide the magnetic field goes. Because even though the magnet isn't touching the wires, the magnetic field is interacting with the copper wire. So it's this magnetic energy that is changing into electrical energy in the wires that goes here and transforms into light and heat energy in a light bulb. Because this light bulb's clearly giving off light, but a lot of light bulbs like this one also give off heat. So that's what the electricity or electrical energy is changing into. So this will help you remember that. And then the second part of what you need to write on your blog is how it applies to the golfing machine. So I showed you in class the inside of a motor, and this part right there is what it looks like in the large motor. That part, and if you take a medium motor apart, which don't do that, this is the part in the medium motor that is where Faraday's law is happening. So if you look inside one of those, there's a thickened motor magnet and a copper coil. As the copper coil spins, because this is turning around every time you spin the motor, the copper is moving through the magnetic field. That's how the magnetic energy changes into electrical energy, which goes from one motor through the wires into the other motor. So that's what you need to explain for Faraday's law. Now you have it.